Yes, you know.
How you
I said,
what are Tinubu is an Anambra?
Tinubu mother from Osun State. Okay. In father from Anambra, you know, Navy for this side.
So is that the reason why you said that's the reason why Yoruba are suffering?
Yes, sir.
You said yes. Yoruba are suffering because Tinubu is from Anambra.
Yes, that's why we are suffering now.
Why? So Tinubu government can't favor Igbo?
Yes, see the reason. Igbo people, they joined the Tinubu regime. So they no suffering at all.
Igbo people, they enjoy.
Well.
Baba, what do you have to say?
It's true. Igbo too, they enjoy.
They are enjoying Tinubu.
They are enjoying Tinubu administration. He favor them.
He no favor.
He no favor Yoruba and Hausa, but he favor Igbos.
You said Tinubu is from Anambra. Do you?
He from Anambra 60. His mother from Osun. From
his mother.
His mother Rabiji from Rabiji.
Okay. How it can't be a Lagosian?
Don't worry, everybody now can be.
He's a Muslim.
He's a Muslim.
But that's the reason why Yoruba people are suffering the government.
Yes. A father from Anambra from Inewi. Yes. Here with his mother, they meet at Lagos.
Okay.
So that's
why they are suffering because Igbo man, they favor Igbo man.
They favor Igbo man. Yes.
Mama, come. Where did they go? Can't take the mic and talk. People, are you happy with the... You said the last time that Tinubu is an Anambra.
Yes, you know.
How you I said Tinubu is an Anambra.
Tinubu mother from Osun State. Okay. In father from Anambra, you know, Navy for this side.
Mona, leave me, make I laugh. You know, when some people make you laugh, you laugh. Hey, so it has come to a point. The Yoruba people are denying Tinubu. Hey, I can remember all that happened during the election. You know, most of us who voted P2B, we are voting him not because he's Igbo. We are voting him because of competence. And we think he was, or he's the best person among the rest. And that was why we voted. But some people voted along ethnic lines. And look at today, just 1 year plus some months, Nigerians are feeling the hardest of times in the history of the country. The hardship, Hey, you know, get part one. This is the worst of times. The fuel price, electricity bill, whatsoever, everything. Can you imagine? Rice is 110,000 naira. Now, there was a time, there's an arrangement that was made for protests, for all Nigerians to protest against the government. And the Igbo people were saying, no, we are not interested in the protests. You know, we know they feel the pain. The government favor us. So, and some people tried to rope them in as those who planned the protest. But at the end of the day, everybody realized Igbo people were not interested in the protest. So the hardship continued, reaching a particular level. Now, it has come to a point that some Yoruba people are feeling, as you can see in that video, that Tinubu is an Igbo man. The reasons are that Igbo people are enjoying his government, that Igbo people are not suffering like other Nigerians in his government. Do you get that? Now, why other Nigerians are suffering, Igbo people are enjoying. That is their claim. You know, there was a time they said Obasanjo is an Igbo. They spread the rumors. Some said because he favored Igbos during his government. And you saw the results. Aside that he chose some Igbo, he appointed some Igbo people to work with him. But you saw the results. Nigeria has not given Igbo people a chance. And part of what Nigeria is suffering is for neglecting the Igbos. I'm telling you. Part of Nigeria's problem is because they neglected the Igbos. People who have, people are blessed with several things. Some people are gifted in the area of managerial skills. Now, they want to claim Tinubu is now Igbo because they feel Igbos are favored by his misrule of Nigeria, because it's a sort of misrule. They said his father is from Irabishi in Osun State, while his mother is from Igbo, and to be precise, Nnewi. Nnewi. Please, pardon my laugh, I have to laugh. It is funny. From Anambra State, Tinubu's mother. I'm surprised. Okay, if you want to apply this to what happened during the election, when the guy that represented Labour Party in the election wanted to contest, they said his mother is Igbo. He's not fit to contest. But Tinubu ruled Lagos for 8 years and still ruling through his proxies. Now Nasabi, you see, this is what tribalism can cause. Now you want to now shift still these guys. What are we going to do for you so that you leave us alone? Now they want to say Tinubu is Igbo and is favoring the Igbo people. Meanwhile, look at Tinubu's appointments. How many Igbos are in his government? Oga, you people, I don't know what in the worry on. And I can't help you people. Tinubu's appointment, most of them are Yorubas. The only Igbo I see in his appointment is the one chief of Navy staff. And in the army, in our own setting here, the Navy itself. Anyway, make I not talk anything. Why not appoint Igbo chief of army staff? Meanwhile, Nahin Sabi. But how many Igbo people are in his government? When then they tell on nothing. Meanwhile, we know that the power was hijacked, but Nigerians are facing it. I will only say sorry. So sad. Make una go find what they do now. Stop mentioning Igbo people. Tomorrow, you will say above Lagos is Igbo. Tomorrow, you will say the whole of Lagosians are Igbo. And may una kuku give us Lagos now, where would they go? Tomorrow, they go tell them, may una vote again. Una go still vote. Ethnic, voting around ethnic lines. Tomorrow, you blame. You want to blame the Igbo for protests they refuse to get involved. Now you want to also blame him that is favoring the Igbo. How? You people should explain, please. I'm waiting for explanation on the comment section and anywhere you see this video.